Lecture number 21. Again, a very important reaction. A separate question can come in the exam. Either the mechanism can be expected in the exam. So, again, from JEE point of view, also the reaction is important. Let us see the statement. Simple है, कुछ भी difficult नहीं है. It's called as aldol condensation. My favorite question. What is aldol condensation? First of all, let us try to understand. Now see, when the two molecules of an aldehyde or a ketone containing active alpha hydrogen, that is, the reaction is given only by those aldehydes and ketones which contain a active alpha hydrogen. Active alpha hydrogen मतलब alpha hydrogen कौन सा है? This is a functional group. उसको the carbon को जो hydrogen attached है, that is called as the active alpha hydrogen. ये acidic है nature में, इसीलिए it gives the reaction. Same ये ketone है, these are the active alpha hydrogen atoms. Because they are acidic in nature, hence they will give aldol condensation. So I repeat, when two molecules of an aldehyde or a ketone containing alpha hydrogen react with each other in the presence of a weak base to form the corresponding beta hydroxy aldehydes or ketones. What does it mean? Let us take an example itself. See, the way I have written the reaction, try to write the same in your exam for you to understand the reaction. See, now these are what? These are the two molecules of aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde. I can say it is an example of a self-condensation. Self-aldol, मतलब दो molecule same reagent के हैं. That is called as self-aldol condensation. So, see, अभी ये जो है, this is alpha hydrogen, active alpha hydrogen. When you say this is active alpha hydrogen, so that goes to the carbonyl oxygen, and the alpha carbon gets attached to the carbonyl carbon of the other to form the intermediate that is called as acetaldol. See how the migration takes place. The number of carbon atoms increase here because we have taken two molecules of the same. And then उसके बाद what is this? This is called as beta hydroxybutyraldehyde. So what we have written, two molecules of aldehyde or a ketone containing active alpha hydrogen will react with each other in the presence of a weak base to form the corresponding beta hydroxy aldehydes or beta hydroxy ketone, that is called as aldol condensation. Now, when we heat the molecule, there is an immediate removal of water converted to crotonaldehyde. I have written the IUPAC name for the same, that is called as butuenal. Next, why is it called as aldol? Because the product contains both the aldehyde as well as the alcohol group. OH भी है, CHO भी है, aldehyde भी है. That is called as aldol. So it is called as aldol condensation. Okay, whether the reaction is given by formaldehyde? No, the reaction is not given by formaldehyde. So I have written the reaction with acetaldehyde, the same is called as ethanol. The next right hand side पे see I have written the same reaction can be taken place with acetone. The only difference is H should be replaced by CH3. Entire reaction remains same, that is the reaction with acetone. Okay, see I have written again how the reaction takes place with propanal. Next molecule का, second molecule का, you have to consider the alpha hydrogen of that, and then the migration takes place. That is how the reaction takes place with propanal. Now, so that is called as aldol. Okay, what is the application? It is used to prepare unsaturated, मतलब double bond जिसमें है unsaturated aldehydes and ketones. That is the application of aldol condensation. Now, what is the mechanism of the reaction? See, the very first step, the reaction is in the presence of a base. So I have written OH minus. The reaction is given by the compounds which contain the hydrogen which is acidic in nature. We say it is alpha hydrogen. So what is the intermediate which is formed in the reaction? That is called as a enolate ion that acts as a nucleophile. रेयर है ना, बहुत सारे mechanisms में what you get either a carbocation or you get a free radical which is generated. यहाँ पे it is a nucleophile acting as intermediate in the mechanism. Next, now the next step में that nucleophile reacts with the second molecule of acetaldehyde. See how the bond formation carbonyl is polar, तो CH2 के ऊपर माइनस चार्ज है, वो गया पॉजिटिव कार्बन को, दैट इज इंटरमीडिएट वेयर ऑक्सीजन पे वो चार्ज माइग्रेट हो जाएगा, इट इज कैरिंग अ नेगेटिव चार्ज. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इजी है, इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर यू गेट द प्रोडक्ट एंड OH इज सेट फ्री. फर्स्ट स्टेप में OH आया, थर्ड स्टेप में OH गया, hence our mechanism is right. So this is the application, this is the mechanism of aldol condensation, and when two same molecules of an aldehyde either ketone react with each other, it is called as self aldol. What is it called as? It is called as self aldol. Okay, fine.